This video actually took me so long to record because I've been waiting for the right time to actually put this out, but as it stands now, I don't think that right time is going to come anytime soon, right? So yeah, this video is more or less like an appreciation. What did I just say? Okay, let me just say a Thanksgiving video so that I will not be using any word that will come and be giving me any problem, right? So yeah, this video is purposely to give thanks to all of you, like everyone that has followed me on this journey so far, this 120 days profitability challenge. It has been a long journey and a lot of things happened along the line. There got to a point there came a time I wasn't even uploading videos again because I was going through some other stressful stuff that was taking so much of my time. But yeah, thankfully we've been able to come to an end of this particular journey. And like I said in my previous video, though the journey ends, but it's not actually ending, right? Because whatever I've been able to learn during this challenge, I'm going to be applying those things in like the rest of my life. As far as I remain in this forex trading game, I'm going to be applying those stuff. So yeah, they are going to still be something that I'll rely on whenever I want to take a trade or whenever I want to do something related to the forex trading market. Yes, there were so many new things that I've been able to learn, and yes, I'm grateful for everyone actually. Yeah, because a time came, I got few comments on my video, and those comments actually helped me. I'm not going to lie, actually those comments helped me in one way or the other. They helped me, right? I was like, I think, let me show you something right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see clearly, but I'm currently in a trade. This is synthetic indices. I don't know if you can see clearly. Yeah, but I'm applying the same principles. I'm showing you this because it's the same principles that I'm applying over here. I don't know if you can see clearly. Yeah, I just hope you can see clearly. All right, that's a buy on 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. Yeah, that's a buy I've taken over there, and it's currently going on well. I showed you this because the principle that I've learned on during the 120 days profitability challenge is the same principle that I'm applying on the synthetic market. Even though those principles I learned specifically for the currency market, but I'm applying the same principles in the synthetic market, and those principles are working. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you ask me what is the main thing that I've been able to pick out of this 120 days profitability challenge, I'll tell you this: liquidity, order block, and imbalance. That is the simple thing that I'm using. All right, that's the simple thing I've been able to pick out of this 120 days profitability challenge, and I'm utilizing those things right now to my advantage to trade in this forex market. And yes, I just hope it will be a good ride for me, right? I just hope those things are going to help me a lot in the market. Like whenever I'm taking a trade, they're going to help me a lot. Although I'll run at a loss at a point. That's the main reason in almost all of my videos I keep saying that nothing is 100% guaranteed. All right, even though the strategies I trust it, but it's not 100% guaranteed. So yes, there will come a time I may be running at a loss, and I just have to take it like that because there's nothing that is 100%. Okay, there's nothing that is 100% out there, right? I think I'm liking this signal already. The trade, I think I have to log some profit right here. Let me see. I don't know if you can see. Sorry if you cannot see. Let me see if you can see it right here. I'm trying to push. I'm trying to log in some profits. Okay, so let me do that quickly because it is necessary. Whenever you go to the riverside to fetch water, you don't have to come home with an empty pot. You have to come home with something, right, to show that you've actually been to the well side or to the riverside to fetch the water. So yes, I'm not going to come back empty-handed. As far as I'm in profit, I have to come back with something. That's one thing I've also learned in this trading 120 days profitability challenge, because yes, it got to a point I have to note some things out, because when I was trading a demo account, I realized that some trades will go nicely, will start going nicely, but all of a sudden will reverse and go against me. So it's just necessary or very important that I take note of those things and, you know, make sure I don't repeat them in my live trading like I'm doing right here. This is a live trading. I mean, I'm trading live actually. So yeah, I have to make sure I implement the things the right way. Okay, so that's going to be it all for this video, and I think, not that I think, I'm inviting you all to join me on this journey. All right, this is a general journey. I'm not going to say 120 days something. No, this is a general journey of me in a forex market. Okay, so I want you all to be with me, and let's see how we are going to progress over time, right? Once again, my name is Godsway, and yes, I want to keep everything very, very authentic on this channel. The ups, the downs, like I just want everything to be real, so much real. There should be no faking right here. Okay, if you make profit, fine. If you lose, fine. It's all part of the game. So yeah, we're gonna sorry. So we're gonna keep everything real on this channel. And if you are someone who wish to learn about forex trading and stuff like that, yes, soon I'll be sharing my lessons. I mean, my thoughts on some things in the market. I'll be sharing them with you on the channel. So yeah, I would like to stay tuned with me. Hit that subscribe button and stay right here with me on this channel, and let's see how everything is going to go, right? So I will see you in the next video, hopefully. My name is Godsway. Goodbye.